Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate NFT minting with Shopify crypto apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating NFT minting with Shopify crypto apps, ensure you have a Shopify store set up. Navigate to the Shopify App Store to explore available cryptocurrency applications. Search for NFT-related apps that support minting features. Select an app that suits your needs and click on it for more information. Review its features, pricing, and compatibility with your store. Once you've made your choice, click the Add App button to initiate the installation. Follow the prompts to sign in to your Shopify account. Allow the app to access your store's data as required. After installation, locate the app in your Shopify admin dashboard. Open the app and create an account or connect your existing crypto wallet. Explore the app's dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. Select the option to create or mint your first NFT. Upload the digital asset you wish to transform into an NFT. Fill in the required metadata fields such as title, description, and attributes. Set the edition size if you are minting multiple copies of the NFT. Choose the blockchain on which you want your NFT to exist. Adjust any additional settings, such as royalties or unlockable content. Preview the NFT to ensure everything appears correct. Once satisfied, click the button to mint your NFT. The app will process the minting, which may take a few moments. After completion, the NFT will be stored in your connected wallet. Ensure that your NFT is listed on your store for sale or auction. Promote your newly minted NFT on social media and through other channels. Monitor your sales and customer interactions through the app's analytics. Return to the app for ongoing management of your NFT collection. Stay updated with any app improvements or updates to enhance your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.